Alright, Labrador 5'4" here. Gonna check on my snoring gal, Desi. There she is. She's snoring. I love that position that she's in when she snores. I do. Check that out. While Desi is snoring, she knows something's up. Or does she? Unlike her brother Spice, you know, I'd probably not make this video if Spice was there. However, of course, Desi's been very low-key ever since we got her. And of course, always wanted a lab since the dawn of my life. And here she is, way long before I got older. Or is it?